Let's talk about 3 tips for better One-Button Studio presentations. To start us off, tip number 1, leave some empty space. You've spent a considerable amount of time creating this slideshow, adding this text, so offset it to one side on the slide, so then that way you don't cover it up. Consider putting it on your dominant side, so it's a little more natural when you gesture towards it. I'm right-handed, so it's on the right side of me. Keep it eye level or upper body height. It allows me to stand straight, have good posture, and keep my energy high. Another subtle technique is to change the text alignment. It allows you to break up ideas and add a little dynamic flair into your presentation just by moving. It helps emphasize an important point, and lastly prevents visual fatigue and sameness, all by just slightly moving. Tip number 2, keep it simple. This tells the story for me. I don't really need to explain what's going on here. A number of you were probably already reading that slide before I even started to explain it. Let's forego doing this, and instead, let's condense 3 to 4 bullet points. Consider this methodology of 4x4. Remember 4x4. 4 bullet points, 4 words per bullet point. And use text just for emphasizing. Feel free to add in some context in between those bullet points, but only have text here that you're going to reference. If you don't have enough room for 4x4, just add a new quick slide, put those extra points there, and this also can break up monotony. Tip number 3, take some visual breaks. Throughout this video so far, I've had text next to me at all times. Now I've inserted a blank slide, so that way I can recenter myself here and be the main point of focus at this small section of the video. Consider also bringing in a full screen screenshot or real-time preview of a piece of software or an image, whatever works best for you. And then you can ultimately go picture in picture so you can still be present while you're talking about this material. Hopefully these tips were helpful for you. If you have any suggestions, things that you would add, feel free to reach out.